Oh, what do we got here? He's fighting hard. On this point, I'm imagining it's a pretty nice snook with this fight that I'm getting. Ooh, yeah. He ain't done yet. Yeah, I had to throw the anchor down. Yeah. I think we got a nice snook here, but I'm not positive. Good morning, y'all. I'm here at 19th Street for the first time. Toll's finally open and they're allowing regular people back on the island here at Boca Grande. Our parking lot got pretty washed out here. It's definitely going to need some grade work going on. Got a pretty big washout going down here, but there's just enough to drive along the edge of it and get down here to the launch. Looks like all this sand that's here is going to have to be pushed back in, but with some heavy equipment it'll be an easy job to do, so hopefully that gets done sooner than later. But the launch itself is pretty good, but it's definitely impacted some of the parking that we have, so keep that in mind if you guys are trying to come down here anytime soon. Hopefully they're going to get that fixed sooner than later. But me and Erica are heading out. We're gonna see what we can get on today. It feels like the wind's picking up pretty quickly, so we're gonna try to get on some fish before it gets too bad. So stay tuned, y'all. Let's get salty. Good morning, y'all. Looks like we're getting a great sunrise. Looks like it's gonna be a good day, y'all. Let's get started. Second. All right. Nice trout here. Anyways, let's see what we got here. Alright, he just kicked that skinny lipper out of his mouth. Okay, hang on, buddy. We're gonna get you out of here. Not bad, y'all. 18.5 to start the morning. Second cast out, really 18.75 for this guy. It's your lucky day though, buddy. We're gonna put you back. He would be nice on a tournament day, that's for sure. Turn it off.
He's fighting. Try to let him run for a second. I just didn't want to let him run into your motor. Check my leader here.
Erica's hooked up on something decent here, guys. Oh, nice jack, huh?
Oh my God. Feels big, but just a big fight.
Just not even gonna use the net, even though you got one.
I guess.
Like you finally got a net, you got it all out and ready, and then you were like, nah.
I saw your lure get caught in your net, and then I guess it scared me from using mine.
I know you ain't caught a fish in a minute. You gotta land that one.
Definitely.
Get that skunk off.
So excited.
Thank you.
Thank you, buddy.
I think you caught a fish since what, August?
Been a minute.
She's got her new head and spook on there. It's all nice and colorful. She picked out at Bass Pro Shops recently. It's the first time she's been out using it, and a couple casts in and she's got herself a decent jack here.
Aha.
Right on. Congrats, baby.
Thank you. Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, Eric is on again.
Mad, whatever it is.
Way its head, I was about to say the way its head shaking, I think that's another jack. Well, school's a jack over here. I gotta keep us motored a little bit so that way we stay out of these trees. We're gonna end up in those real quick.
I think I figured out how to use my net now.
Right on. Perfect.
Wow, he's bigger than the last one.
Hold him up for us. We'll get that hook out first. Don't get hooked yourself. Nice. Good work, baby. Tearing up the jacks already this morning. They're liking that top water, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Damn. Oh, what do we got here? He's fighting hard. On this point, I'm imagining it's a pretty nice snook with this fight that I'm getting. Ooh, yeah. He ain't done yet. Yeah, I had to throw the anchor down. Yeah. I think we got a nice snook here, but I'm not positive. Where it was at and how it's fighting, I'm saying snook. It might be a big old jack. I'm not sure. I still can't see. Maybe this is a bluefish? Yeah, it's a big old bluefish. Man, what a fight. Oh, wow. He came up and crushed it. All right, skinny lipper doing work this morning. We won't worry about that just yet. He bit my net. Woo. Wow, he's a big guy. Oh man. All right, buddy, you ready to go? Yeah, kicked off good. Right on. Cool beans, man. Cool beans. Was not expecting a bluefish hanging out right there, but right on. I thought for sure that was a snook. I thought he felt like a slot-sized snook. Right on, guys. It is. I've done it before. Man. What we got here, yeah? Every time I slow the retrieve down to just a couple little pops, man. I get something every time. You can try to get out of my motor. Ah, a little trout here. He's pretty wore out. Maybe we can just get him hooked into the kayak here. Oh, I thought he was wore out. All right. Nice little decent trout there. Skinny lipper in the corner of his mouth. Check that out. All right, guys, we're gonna get this out of here for you. Get you on your way. Yeah, right on, buddy. There you go. We had to come and beach up at our favorite spot here at Hogan Key. The water's dark, but it's like a very light sweet tea. You can still see down pretty good. But once you get out into the deep, you can't really see down too well, but it looks like everything did well so far. The beach eroded, but it's a nice, slow, gradual. And then there's still some flat spots up here for camping. So we definitely lost a few more of the big trees, a couple Australian pines down, but overall I'd say cleaned up the beaches pretty well. Put some trash up here, but we'll have to do a cleanup out here at some point. Now they're allowing people back on the island. We'll try to get a day scheduled where we'll come out and do a cleanup out here and yeah, get everything back to the way it's supposed to be. So. All right, y'all, we just left Hogan Key. We're gonna start working our way back to the launch. It's getting a little late in the day. It's pushing noon. So we're gonna do some trolling here along a little drop off that we have here and work our way back to some of the areas that had some fish this morning and see if maybe they got something holding up and work our way back to the launch. Finally got something to hit over here. What we got? I think it might be a little trout. Yeah. One following him too. I'm following him all the way to the boat. Yeah. Nice pretty guy here. We've had him out long enough, so we'll just put him in the net and let him try to revive a little bit. Don't worry about measuring him. Alright, looks like he's starting to kick here. Ready to go, buddy? Alright, there you go. Alright. Got something decent here. It's fighting hard. Doing some head bobs. We might have a jack. Yeah, I got me a jack too. Still hanging around over here too. He ain't done yet, I guess. He still wants to fight. Not very big fish. They're not great to eat, but they are fun to catch. Strong fighters. They just don't give up. As you can see here, he's tuckered out, but he's still just kicking. They shake their heads harder than a redfish sometimes. All right, we got him in the net. Turd Ferguson's doing some work today. Check that out, guys. Turd Ferguson right there in the corner of the lip. You hold on, guy. We're gonna get this out and you're gonna be on your way. There you go. Popped right out. Oh, it sounds like Erica's got a redfish over there. Guess we're gonna have to pull the anchor up. Big one?
Not my PB or anything, but
Nice.
camera on.
Nice work, honey.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
So you got a cool spot on this side?
Yeah,
I seen a spot. It just looked kind of different looking. Nah, I guess it's normal.
one solid one. Oh, thank you so
Yeah,
much.
nice clean looking guy. Nice catch, honey. Yeah, nice swim away there.
I knew it as soon as it hit. I knew it was a red. On my spoon.
Awesome. They're loving that gold spoon. That was cool. Oh, nice little red. All right. Got ourselves a red too. Nice. Yep. Ah, look how clean he is. Got this beautiful little blue tail here. Just clobbered that Turd Ferguson. Ah, it's just barely hooked. Yeah, he's got one spot there. And just one spot on each side. All right, see you later, buddy. He was ready to go. All All right, y'all, we are headed back to the launch. We had a great day out here. We both got on some reds, a bunch of trout. I was able to get a bluefish. We both got some jacks. So overall, it's a pretty good day. I'm missing the snook for the slam, but still a great day out here getting back after the storm. We've seen some stuff blowing up here at the launch, so we decided to give it a shot. There's some more jack. Cool. Catching fish right here at the launch. Hey, I'm stoked I got one. We know what's blowing them up now.
Yeah.
It wasn't a snook, it was a jack.
Still cool.
Still cool.
Alright guys, this is your chance. You can live your life and escape, or let something catch you here at the launch. Good luck.
All right. Man, that turd Ferguson is putting in some work today.
Yeah, it was.
And in the heat. I didn't throw this thing on until late in the morning, and it just tore up all kinds of stuff. Come on, buddy. But man, there is bait everywhere. You find the bait, y'all, you will find the fish. Find some clean water, find the bait, you'll be on the fish. All right, y'all, we're all back at the launch. We are done for the day. We had a great day out here at Boca again. We're glad to be able to get back out. We were able to get some pretty good trout. We both got some good jacks, and we both got reds, so it's a pretty good day. We were missing the snook for the slam, but still a great day. So happy to get back out here on Boca, and hope you guys like this video. If so, give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay salty, y'all.